Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make something for tea time. Today I'm gonna make something most people doesn't know about and most people haven't heard of this name. It's called wheat kebab. So for this you'll be needing 3 eggs. If you have 3, add 3. If you don't have 2, it's enough. At minimum is 2, maximum is 3. But recommend you add 3. So after adding the eggs, you can add chicken cube, half or a quarter of chicken cube. After adding chicken cube, you can add pepper, chili flakes. Add chili flakes, like 1 spoon of chili flakes, because you don't want it to be too spicy. If you want, you can add more chili flakes if you want it to be spicy, if you're kind of spicy person. After that, add 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding 1 teaspoon of salt, you can add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't add too much. Everything should be in the right amount, or in the end it will be ruined and it will be a waste. So now mix it very well. Mixing is one of the important parts we need to know, because we want everything to not in the same place. We want it to move around. Mixing, it must become a very yellowish kind of color in the end. So mix it for 2 to 3 minutes is enough. Don't mix too much, because there'll be few mixing parts in this video. So if you if you use all your strength on this, later you get tired, your hand will get tired. Now take 1 cup of flour and add little by little and mix it. As you can see, it's starting to get the color of yellow, yellowish. And now mix it, and don't mix so fast, because you won't use all your strength, and later you need to mix again. If you use all your strength now, later you won't have any strength and you won't mix properly. So now mix. As you can see, they're all coming together. They look very sticky right there, right? You want to take the edges of the pot, take the edges and mix them. There'll be a lot of mixing in this video, so get your hand must be ready to mix, or if it's not, you will get tired very fast and you won't have the mood to make this anymore. So after adding that, add the last bit of flour and mix it. Now you can clearly see it's starting to become yellowish, and after it becomes yellowish, it will become thick. Be very thick. If it's not thick, then you don't have to add water, but I'm pretty sure it will become thick. So if it become thick, add half a cup of water. Half a cup of water is enough. Don't add too much water. Be liquid, watery maybe. After take water in 1 cup and then add it. The way to see if it's thick or not, just tap it, you can actually feel it if it's thick. And if you feel like it's thick, you just add a cup of water and mix it, and it'll become it won't be thick anymore. It'll be liquid, like water. Now this is the optional part. If I can add any seafood or any meat like that, if you're vegetarians and if you don't eat those, you don't have to add it. It's optional. You can add any meat you want, any seafood you want. If you don't, you can even just eat meat or just add seafood, and then mix it well again. So mix it. Now add a sliced carrot. After adding sliced carrot, add onion leaves, and then add a little bit of onions, and add a little bit of coriander leaf. Only add a little bit of onions and coriander leaves. You won't add too much. So now mix it again. As I said, there's gonna be lots of mixing in this video, so mix it very well. If you don't want, you don't have to add vegetables, but I feel like it's very healthy to add vegetable. It will be more tasty, and you will add more ingredients on it, so you can feel more taste instead of just feeling egg, you know. So now mix it, take the edges and mix it too. After mixing it, you can now fry it. You can fry it. As you can see, this was very easy to make. It didn't take that much time. This is actually very good for tea time, and it will be much better with tea. In the next video, I'm going to make tea. It will be actually with this video, but this video is too long, so I couldn't edit with this. So remember, watching the next video. It's gonna come soon, and it's about making masala tea. Some people ask how to know if this is ready. The way to know if it's ready, it will become yellowish like this, and it's ready. So the reason I added tissue below this is because if you add tissue, it will be very, very oily. And if you add tissue, the tissue will absorb the oil and it won't be very oily. Because if it's very oily, it will be very unhealthy for you. And most people doesn't like oily food, right? I mean, I'm not wrong. Because some people like to eat healthy. Like most people are like, example, if they're on diet or like they like to eat healthy food to lose weight or something, this will be too oily for you guys. So I absorb the oil. And if you feel like if inside is not like cooked properly, just take a toothpick and poke it to see if it's cooked properly. If nothing comes out, that means it's cooked. If you feel like sticky or something, that means it's not cooked properly. Use everything finished. Don't waste anything, because I'm telling you, it's gonna taste very nice in the end. And if you waste anything, you'll regret it later, because it's gonna be so tasty. Actually, it's like a food they usually make in India and Sri Lanka. It's like a traditional food. And if you want, you can even eat with sauce. It's gonna nice. It's actually, it will taste nice plain or with sauce or with any toppings you want. It's your choice. As you can see, they're becoming like yellowish, you know, like orange kind of color. Then it's like fried properly. If it's already like this and if you keep on frying it, will be over fried and it won't taste very nice. And so it's very easy to make. I was not lying, and I had so much fun making this. I'm pretty sure you guys have fun too. So remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Please try this at home. We really want you to try this at home. And stay home, stay safe, be hygienic, don't go out too much. Bye.